Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aikal bin Abdullah, and my course is Diploma in Engineering Technology in Ship Construction and Maintenance. Uh, Today I want to discuss about industrial presentation that I that conduct between 3 March to 4 July. That was 4 months. And the company that I work is ASE Ventures in Berhad. And the objective of the industrial training is have 5 points. Number one is to exposure to engineering and construction environment. Number two, learn safety practice and ethic. Number three, to improve soft skill, including teamwork and communication. And number four, bridge theory and industry. And lastly, to build confidence between myself to work surrounding of the industrial training. For the company overview, the company that I work on is the full name was ASE Ventures Niran Berhad. It was incorporated on 1st August 2017, and the location was in Sri Manjung, Perak. For the engineer industry itself, we conduct uh, work on engineering and marine services. Company vision and mission. The company vision is to be trusted leader in engineering and marine service, and the mission was to provide reliable service, uphold safety and quality, promote innovation, and contribute ethically to industry. Company safety policies. Uh, they have 5 points. Number one is compliance with OSH regulation, which is OSHA. Number two is mandatory PPE use, is safety boot, uh, mask, goggle, and etc. Regular safety training, uh, and emergency response plans, and tool and equipment safety checks daily for before and after doing work. Company general policies. Yeah, 4 points. Number one is no violence or harassment, confidentiality in work, environmental responsibility, and prohibition of drugs and alcohol. Industrial training location. So the industrial training location is at the office itself is at Q10 Jalan Besar Sri Manjung Perak, and the workshop that I work is at Kawasan Perindustrian Sri Manjung. The workshop don't have the exact location because the Google Map cannot trace the location. So I just put Kawasan Perindustrian Sri Manjung for the workshop location. Supervisor overview. My supervisor name is Encik Raja Salihuddin bin Raja Mahmud. It was he was known for his supportive, kind, knowledgeable, and encouraging guidance towards the colleagues. He also helped me understand operation and professional conduct during the intra presentation. Intra major task assigned. Uh, for the major task, eh, we doing the fuel tank fabrication, radio and electrical system repair, bilge pump replacement, boat trailer work, cleaning and painting, and collaborating with technical team. Uh, for the fuel tank, we replace the old fuel tank with new fuel tank, so we need to make a new fuel tank. Project overview. main project, the first project that we got for the Intra was fuel tank for boat pemata satu. The steps include was to design to and number two material selection for the fuel tank, number three cutting, number four welding, number five testing, and number six installation. For the boat pemata satu, the fuel tank was cannot uh don't have the exact apa tu nama fuel did not have the exact liters for the boat to menampung. Gantt chart and flow chart. This is my Gantt chart that represents visual representation of the fuel tank project timeline and step-by-step fabrication process. As you can see here, it has semester registration for week one, registration at the company, introduction of the department, introduction to the factory area, and cleaning factory area, repairing boat trailer, boat pemata satu which is full tank, to make new full tank for pemata satu, Teluk Intan shipyard, painting and cleaning, report writing, and end of the intra session. And the blue point was the work that we do between the week 1 to week 18. Uh, Fuel tank fabrication, design and material. As you can see here, this where we do the fuel tank process. We design the 300-liter tank for marine use because the previous fuel tank it only conduct 200 100 liter. So we need to make a new fuel tanks that can conduct 300-liter fuel oil for the fuel tank. And number two, select mild steel for durability. We need to use the uh, strong steel because to make the fuel tank we need to use the best equipment for the process. And and also to after we done making the fuel tank, we make sure the fuel tank fit and safety within the boat. And for the process that we do is cutting and welding, and we cutting using the grinder and the torches. uh for this process we need to use safety equipment such as gloves, safety helmet, safety boot, and etc. And number two, precise alignment required. You need to make sure the all the cutting was on point and straight. And next, welding all side and baffles securely. We need to make sure that all the welding process was done and make sure it have no defects on it. Pressure testing and fitting. And for this process, pressure testing, we make sure leak tested. We using the process leak tested using water and soap. Why we using water and soap? Because it can defect it can inspect the defect and fix the defect part of the fuel tank. And lastly, install fuel inlet, outlet, and also vent fittings. Final inspection and installation. Uh, it has 3 points. Number one, inspect well, coating and placement. Number two, check internal cleanliness. Number three, install and secure tank in boat with safety. Other boat tasks that we do uh, was to replace radio system because the old radio system they not working properly. So our boss asked us to replace the radio system with the new one. And also we install the navigation light, right, left and right navigation light, and add some anchor and chain for the boat because the boat doesn't have anchor and chain, so we need to buy and add for the boat. And lastly, we do replacement of the bilge pump. Okay, the boat trailer. This is before boat Pemata Satu has been has been on the workshop. So we need to make sure the boat trailer that we use is work safely. The first step was add extra tires to the boat trailer, and straighten the structure, ensure safety and weight distribution. For Teluk Intan Shipyard, uh, Teluk Intan Shipyard, we we our boss have ran a shipyard at Teluk Intan, so our boss asked us to clean and prepare the shipyard because the shipyard was abandoned for a long time. Uh, and also to restore testing pool, buildings and utilities. All the all the part of the building was so old, so we need to restore all the things, including testing pool and the other building. And lastly, prepare for future marine operation. And this is last project that we do before before the interest ended was painting and cleaning project. Painting and cleaning project was our boss want to sell the boat to the customer, so we need to make sure the boat was clean, and we do some sanding process, polishing the old boat before we painting with the new color. And and for color of the boat, we use the black paint, yellow, maroon and white paint. Is to make sure the boat was looking looking good and ready to be sold. And lastly, we polish the engine to improve resale value. The engine was so dirty, so we using the polish machine to polish the cover of the uh, boat engine. Conclusion and recommendation. For conclusion and recommendation, our the first point was the practical skills have gained during the intra session. Is to improve teamwork and safety awareness. And the recommendation: upgrade tools, improve training onboarding, enhance documentation and safety signage during the intra. And that's all for today. I want to thanks to uh, company that I work to, which is ASC Venture, for giving us is so giving for giving me chance to work at the company. And also I want to thanks my my boss and my intra supervisor. Thank you so much. Thank you.